Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, Irises, as you can see, inspired by the painting of irises by Vincent van Gogh. Do you remember I did the painting inspired by his blossom painting? And that went down really well, everybody loved that, especially me. So I thought I'd have another go at it. I think it's true to say that this is impressionistic. I mean, this is the ground here, but it's sort of peppered in with the grasses, and then we get these distant flowers in the distance. And this piece itself looks better from afar. Like all Impressionism, the pieces come together in your mind when you look at it from a distance. I'm really pleased with it. I especially like the irises. I love this blue one. The Americans were getting excited because they've discovered that these blue irises should have been purple, and they faded over the years. Scientists get much more excited about that than artists, I think. I don't get too worked up about that because it's in the brushstrokes. I mean, so what really? Anyway, it was a lovely painting, and it was very, very nice to be able to make this mosaic. As usual, I've written a verse which goes like this. Vincent's irises. Vincent's irises of blue and white have been made to shimmer in the light. I hope that I have pulled it off in this, my tribute to Van Gogh.